All right, and then lastly, the implementation approach here. So you want to, there's sort of a couple different things here. Focus on complete content creation before launch. That's one approach, and I've already talked a little bit about that. So a lot of people will spend a whole bunch of time saying, the first thing they say is we're going to go out and document 1 million all of our reports and write 100 definitions for data steward, and then we're going to roll this out. So they front load the effort with their stewards and their developers to go back in time and document stuff or hypothetically document stuff. And that amplifies and aggravates the reaction to the effort at the beginning before they're getting any value out of it, right? There's some value to doing content creation before you go, but the complete content creation is rough. We'll talk about those comparisons in a minute. The just-in-time or help desk approach, as we said, is you want to create limited additional content with some kind of couple good examples, some high-level things, and anything new that you build, you curate as you go and document as you go, and then have the ability for people to request things and either directly get routed to someone or to leverage the steward. The difference between import and inventory, then curate. So this is saying, like, do you want to inventory all of your reports and all your data systems and then come and curate it later, or do you just want to put curated stuff in the cookbook? So it really depends on the level of quality of what you can automate and why you want to do that. And then your iteration strategy, how you're rolling things out. So how you set this up can greatly impact the effort. I think the highest level of effort is if you're trying to say, hey, we're going to not roll this out until we have everything completely documented before we even release it, and we're going to do it on all of the areas of our organization and all the systems and all the types of content before we go, and we need to have everything in the world inventory. Like, that's setting yourself up for a whole lot of effort, so think about that. So here's your sort of implementation efforts. So to really limit this is to think of help desk approach for a small number of systems, a small number of areas where you've got a lot of support and rolling that out.